Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound that can fill the room. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play 90s music.
Playing 90s music.
Alexa, I'm home. With Alexa routines, Echo Dot can turn on the lights, switch on the AC, and more with a single command. It can also check your schedule, give you the latest news, and wake you up in the morning. Alexa, wake me up to Bollywood songs at 7 a.m. every day.
Setting an alarm for 7 a.m. every day.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon. Say hello to Amazon Echo 3rd Gen, a hands-free speaker that is controlled by your voice and Alexa. It features premium speakers powered by Dolby Play 360-degree audio for crisp vocals and dynamic bass. Just ask Alexa to play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play latest Bollywood songs.
Playing latest Bollywood songs.
Alexa can set alarms, tell you the news, remind you of any event and more. Alexa, play my flash briefing.
Here's your flash briefing.
You can turn on the lights, switch on the geyser, and more with a single command. You can also call Alexa and Skype contacts by just using your voice. Alexa, call Dad.
Calling Dad.
You can now talk to Alexa in Hindi as well. Just say, Alexa, तुम कैसी हो?
आपने पूछ लिया, बस दिल garden हो गया.
Best of all, Amazon Echo and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Amazon Echo from Amazon.